Now this steering wheel is pretty worn out. I think you would have to agree. This is a Moto Lita steering wheel, which was an aftermarket style steering wheel. This customer wants to bring it back to life, and then he's going to put it on a 1978 Dodge Charger. So just get a good look at that so you can remember what it looks like after we transform it. We're going to put it through our process, clean it up, repaint the spokes, and we don't just spray paint over them. We actually sandblast them, clean them. Then we use separate different primers on them, and then paint them, and then clear coat over that. So we actually do them back to factory new, and then the new leather that's going to go on there, which is going to be a black, actually a dark brown leather, and it's going to really make this thing look gorgeous. So let's take a look at it after we transform it. All right, we've got this Dodge Charger 1978 Moto Lita steering wheel all finished out and ready to ship out today. What we've done on this one is we went in and sandblasted and repainted those spokes really nice, and then of course removed the old leather and upholstered it to factory new. Just looks absolutely amazing. We went in and put the seam where their seam was there at the 8 o'clock position, and this is going to look gorgeous in his Charger. We love those old classic vehicles, and this is the best way to top them off, is a new factory new steering wheel. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com, where you're gonna love what you get. We guarantee it.